When you think of rabbits, you probably imagine quiet, gentle creatures that hop around in silence. But here's the secret. Rabbits do make sounds, and some of them may surprise you. Unlike birds or monkeys, rabbits aren't very vocal. Most of the time, they communicate with body language, thumping their feet or flicking their ears. But when they do make noise, it's usually for a reason. A happy, content rabbit might make a soft humming or gentle buzzing sound, almost like a tiny purr. It's their way of saying they feel safe and comfortable. But rabbits can also growl or grunt when they're annoyed or protecting their space. It's a warning, stay back. And then there's the rare but unforgettable sound, a rabbit scream. This high-pitched, almost chilling cry happens only when the animal is terrified or in danger. It's one of the most shocking sounds in the animal kingdom because you'd never expect it from such a quiet creature. So yes, rabbits do have a voice, and now it's time to hear it for yourself. That was the voice of a rabbit. Did it surprise you? Let me know in the comments.